This full-page ad in the Washington Times this morning from PETA with the picture here of an infant monkey, and it says NIH, millions spent scarring baby monkeys and making them depressed, lonely, and drunk since 1983. Stop it now. What is the NIH's policy about using animals for the research that you do?
Well, it's a good question. Animals are essential for many of the things we're trying to learn about how to prevent and treat human diseases, because we can't do things with human patients ethically, nor would we necessarily ask them to be involved in some of the studies that can be done on animals that have given us great insights, whether it's to diabetes or heart disease or Alzheimer's. All of the things that people want to see answers to, we depend on animal studies to learn about that. I think there are particular concerns when those animals are close relatives of ours, and I want to point out that we have recently made a decision pretty much to scale back or maybe even stop altogether on research on chimpanzees. After an extensive debate, we still have the potential of a very small colony of chimps that could be used if there's an urgent need for the kind of research that could only be done in chimps. But otherwise, we have put in place a circumstance where chimpanzee research is being phased out. When it comes to the PETA concerns, I think they are also pointing to other monkeys where they're concerned about the way in which animals are handled. I want to reassure people that this is done with intense oversight by a variety of groups that look at protocols, that make decisions about whether the results of the research are justifying the kinds of studies that are being done. There's a great deal of attention to trying to avoid pain and suffering. But reasonable people will still disagree about whether we have that balance right.
Okay, we'll go on to Harriet, Miami Beach.